Hi again, it's me Rachel from Heartfelt Designs, and I am here with my daughter Emma, and today we are going to show you how to create a heart design using butterfly cardstock paper. With everything going on, it is so hard to keep busy in a day, especially for a child. I have 4 of my own, so I know that they do get bored. And we figured we could keep them busy with this craft. I have a few different designs, and I would love to show you how to create one yourself. The materials that you will need for this kit is an 8x10 canvas, flat one I like to get at the Dollar Tree. They now have a crafter square in most Dollar Trees. I have 3 different kinds of glue. Tacky glue, this crafter's square craft glue also, and Elmer's washable glue. You can use. And I have 3 different shades of butterflies to make an ombre effect.
First, you will need to take the heart cutout and glue onto the canvas, in the middle preferably. Be sure not to put too much glue on the sides or it will seep out. Press and smooth out your heart so that there are no bubbles or bumps. And voila, you're ready to add your butterflies. I like to fold all the butterflies in the beginning so that they are all ready to be glued on, but this is only preference. You can fold them as you go. This was such a nice time with 2 of my children crafting. It kept us busy for a few hours. They also both enjoyed it. It's perfect for fine motor practice as well if you have younger ones doing this craft. Once all of my butterflies were folded, I began folding them onto my heart. I started at the bottom and made my way upwards. There are different shaped butterflies in my available kits. In this heart, I decided to do the dark color at the bottom and the lightest on top. But this is also your choice and your creation. You may glue on the body or each wing to make different effects. I mainly focused on gluing the body. When I got a third of the way up, I started to blend in the middle shade of purple. Once I was happy with the blending, I then began only using the middle shade of purple. I then did the same thing for the lightest shade of purple at the top. Blending first, and then only doing the lightest color until I filled the whole heart. Once I completed the heart, I took different butterflies and glued them, making a flyaway effect. Looks really, really pretty. After the butterflies were dried, I took my Cricut tool or my finger and pushed the wings upward. If you don't have a Cricut tool, you can also use a toothpick.
So here is our final product. I decided to do shades of purple. I also did a shade of blue. Very, very pretty. Perfect for Mother's Day, birthdays, gifts, or just anything to do when you're bored, honestly. My daughter Emma finished this project, and this is another template I will have my daughter Megan finish this one. I'm coming up with a few more templates to use that should be available soon.
Thank you guys so much for watching my mom's video. Please subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to watch more content, go to my mom's YouTube channel.
Please be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and these wonderful kits will be available on my Etsy store. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay safe.